Hello and welcome to mini course of accounting and bookkeeping software called Xero. It's one of the largest accounting softwares in the world used by millions of businesses. I'm happy to guide you through this course and will show you what are the strengths of this software. We'll start with looking at how Xero can improve our business processes. Of course, you might have heard that it's a real-time software, so at any point of time, you can look at your reports and see up-to-date information. You can connect a bank and PayPal accounts. You can also have a look at the snapshot of the business and the panel and the first navigation panel. You can access it on the laptop, on mobile app as well, and you can use it anywhere at any time. Let's dive into these particular features of the accounting software. So we are now at the first page when you log in, and I'm using Demo Company to show you the features. So as we mentioned, it's a real-time software, so we can see what exactly is our position of our business at today's date. So we can see the business account on the first left-hand side, and it can show you the amount you have in Xero and the amount you have at the bank. It's very simple to connect your bank, would it be your business or savings or check account, or even PayPal and debit and credit cards by going to your bank accounts. You can also see how many items need to be reconciled. And I really like about Xero that it's graphical, so you can show at any point of time the balance and what is your cash position. On the right hand side, you can clearly see account watch list. What it is, it's a selection of various accounts, various nominal codes that you can add to your first navigation panel when you log in, and you can see how much has been spent, for example, on certain costs per month or year to date, so you can regulate your costs and budget, and you can also see how much money you have already raised through the sales, year to date or per month. Then the next panel, you can quickly say how much is owed to you. You can see draft invoices or waiting for payment and even overdue. And all of this can be accessed through the timeline as well, which I find incredibly useful. Without going into the edge receivables, you can already see in the navigation panel what is due and how much is outstanding. You can also click on the number itself and it will show you the invoices itself and clients who are due for payment. Now you can see on the bottom of that screen, you can also have bills you need to pay. So you can have a look what kind of amounts you're looking for to pay out from your business account in the next week or in the next few weeks in the future. Again, you can click on the number and you can also look into what exactly is due and to whom. Then on the left hand side, just want to pay attention to the total cash in, cash out. And again, it's graphical, which I really like about it, so you can see the amount of money coming in and coming out and the difference. And so it can clearly show you how your business is going throughout this month of the year. So Xero is a real-time software, so as I said, you can run a report and it will show you as of that date immediately what is your position of the business. Xero has a large number of reports available. I can show you, for example, here, by clicking on the reports button, you can see the financial reports, a large number, and tax reports. By the way, it's currently based on UK version, but I also in my course look into Australian and other markets as well, so to compare. But essentially, the software is available everywhere in the world, and you can also use your currency or multiple currency as well. Then you have accounting section with large number of reports available, fixed assets reports, payroll reports, inventory reports, purchases, and sales. And another great tool about this Xero accounting software is that you can integrate with your tax authorities and you can file those reports, for example, for the payroll or for the taxes or for sales taxes immediately with your tax authorities. So that's another positive thing. And we're now going to have a look at the other point, which is that Xero is intuitive and friendly and allows you to auto-populate during the process of inputting invoices or purchase invoices, and have a quick add feature. So it saves your time, and when you input information, you can also quickly and easily send copies to your clients. Let's dive in and have a look at this option now. So when you raise a sales invoice, quite often you need information to be sent out really quickly. And Xero allows you to go into your invoice and literally send it within minutes. So what I'm showing to you is I'm raising sales invoice right now. And you can see here, if I don't have a customer, for example, I want to add Sainsbury's. And if I don't have a contact, I can quickly add a contact here. So those kind of items can be easily added within the software, add new item, and that makes the process much faster. And you can send invoices straight away, print or email from software itself. So that's incredibly helpful and allows you to save your time. And you can also get paid faster. With Xero accounting software, you can add online payment services to your invoices sent to clients. Xero claims that you can be paid twice faster, which means about 14 days on average faster. And that means you can get cash into the bank and pay your invoices or set up or invest into other projects that you need for your business. You can also send reminders, which also contributes to the faster payment of your invoices. So for example, if we want to add additional payment services, we can simply go into settings, and I will show you which payment services are available to you. And you can see how easy it is. Apart from your bank account, you can use the PayPal, you can use the credit cards powered by Stripe, PayPal again, and debit cards and other services, for example, Braintree, TPS, EOA, WorldPay, and you can also have your custom payment gateway. So all of those items are incredibly useful, and sending reminders is extremely useful as well. So you can go into your waiting for payment, for example, and switch on reminders on. So once the invoice becomes overdue, it will send reminders to that particular customer, for example, or you can schedule the reminders at your own pace whenever you need to be, whenever you need to send these reminders to your customers. So incredibly useful. So in my course, I will explain more in details what kind of tips and tricks can we use, more in details, and how we can use Xero and maximize using Xero actually to make our processes much faster and better.